the world of budget smartphones with our comprehensive review of the Nothing Phone 2A. Budget phones often come with compromises, but the Nothing Phone 2A aims to redefine expectations by offering a unique blend of style, functionality, and affordability. Join us as we explore every aspect of this device, from its design and display to performance and camera capabilities. Design and aesthetics. The Nothing Phone 2A boasts a striking transparent aesthetic, setting it apart from typical budget smartphones. The transparent back panel gives a glimpse into the phone's internals, creating a visually captivating experience. Dual cameras positioned in the middle add to the unique design, while LED bars create a distinctive glyph pattern around the camera circle. Despite being unconventional, the design has garnered mixed reactions, with some praising its innovation and others finding it polarizing. Additionally, the phone features a textured plastic frame that mimics the appearance of aluminum, contributing to its premium feel. Display and features. Sporting a massive 6.7-inch AMOLED display, the Nothing Phone 2A offers an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and deep blacks. With a peak brightness of 1300 nits, the display remains visible even in bright lighting conditions. The inclusion of an optical fingerprint reader under the glass adds convenience and security to the device. Notably, the phone supports a variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth performance during day-to-day usage. Performance and battery life. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chip, the Nothing Phone 2A delivers respectable performance for everyday tasks. While it may not match the performance of flagship devices, it handles common activities like messaging, web browsing, and email with ease. The phone's 5000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage, coupled with 45-watt wired charging for quick top-ups. Despite lacking wireless charging, the combination of a large battery and efficient chip results in impressive battery life, catering to the needs of modern users. Software and user experience. Running on Nothing OS 2.5 layered over Android 14, the phone offers a clean and intuitive user experience. Minimal bloatware and a focus on fast and smooth operation reminiscent of OnePlus devices contribute to an enjoyable user experience. The Nothing Phone 2A introduces several unique software features, including customizable home screen grids, AI wallpapers, and third-party icon pack support. While some features may be considered gimmicky, others like the glyph countdown timer and music visualizations add a touch of personality to the device. Camera performance. Equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera and an ultra-wide lens, the Nothing Phone 2A delivers passable camera performance. While it may not produce the sharpest images or offer the best dynamic range, it's sufficient for everyday photography needs. The inclusion of features like autofocus, document scanning, and video calling enhances the versatility of the device's camera system. Despite lacking advanced features like macro mode, the camera experience remains consistent with the overall theme of delivering value without compromise. The Nothing Phone 2A emerges as a standout contender in the budget smartphone market, offering a compelling combination of style, performance, and affordability. While it may not boast the raw specs of flagship devices, its unique design, vibrant display, reliable performance, and impressive battery life make it a worthy investment for budget-conscious consumers. With a commitment to providing 3 years of Android updates, Nothing demonstrates its dedication to delivering a premium experience at an accessible price point. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Nothing Phone 2A review. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and tech coverage on our channel. Until next time, take care and happy exploring!